Okay, as promised, I want to talk about return on assets. Return on assets is a pretty easy concept. What you basically do is for the period, you take net income. Let's see if I can mark it up here. Hang on. You basically take net income. Okay, hang on. Let's try this again. Uh, what you do is you basically focus on net income and average total assets. So you basically take a large number, which is average total assets, you put net income over it, and you basically call this return on assets. You will notice that it all makes sense because you've got an average amount of total assets, and you put net income over it, and net income, which is what you're yielding, is pretty much the return on those assets. A DuPont analysis is an attempt to break this. In other words, we have, for example, we have this, but we don't know. There's a lot of stuff we don't know when we look at that simplistically. What it tries to do is it breaks return on asset into two components. One is how much of this is due to net profit. So it looks at net income over net sales, and then it looks at how much of this is because we're turning our assets over really quickly. Okay, so it just kind of combines these two. What basically happens with a DuPont analysis is that it basically expands on the analysis up here. Let me get rid of this stuff here. It basically expands on net income over average total assets. Notice here that on total asset turnover, you're looking at sales over averaged assets, average total assets. And then here you're getting net income over net sales, which kind of gives you some more dimensionalization. But most of the analysis that we focus on in this class is return on assets, which is net income over average total assets. I hope you found this useful.